For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The border tensions with China have escalated over the past few months, prompting India to strengthen its weapons arsenal. The armed forces are pushing for arming their Heron UAVs with laser-guided bombs, precision-guided munitions and anti-tank missiles for taking out enemy positions and armored regiments. The proposal, named Project Cheetah, has been revived by the armed forces after being pending for a long time. Project Cheetah will cost over 3,500 crore rupees to the exchequer. Under this project, around 90 Heron drones of the three services would be upgraded to be armed with laser-guided bombs, air-to-ground and air-launched anti-tank guided missiles. The case is going to be considered by a high-level Defence Ministry body, including Defence Secretary Ajay Kumar, who is now the in charge of all capital procurements for the three services. Developed by Israel Aerospace Industries, Heron is a medium-altitude, long-endurance unmanned aerial system for strategic and tactical missions. Herons can fly continuously for more than 2 days at a stretch, providing reconnaissance from an altitude of more than 10 kilometers. Fully automated Heron has satellite communication for beyond line of sight. It is capable of operating in extreme weather. It is capable of landing on unpaved runways, capable of flying up to 45 hours. It has a maximum speed of 140 ktas. It can also carry a payload of up to 470 kg and fly at an altitude of up to 35,000 feet. The armed forces have proposed to equip the drones with stronger surveillance and reconnaissance payloads. Surveillance will help them keeping an eye on enemy locations and stations and take them out if required. The Indian fleet of medium-altitude, long-endurance drones, also known as UAVs, include mainly Israeli equipment, including the Herons. They have been deployed by both the Army and Air Force in the forward locations of Ladakh sector along the China border. The drones are also helping in verifying the disengagement by Chinese, as well as knowing their true build-up strength in depth areas. The project on upgrading the drones for carrying out offensive operations against the enemies would involve a number of Indian-developed solutions too. The upgraded UAVs can be used against conventional military operations as well as in counter-terrorism operations in future if required. With the upgrade in reconnaissance capabilities, the forces on the ground would also be able to get pinpoint intelligence about hideouts in areas where men have to be involved in operations. The upgrades would also enable the armed forces ground station handlers to operate these aircraft from far off distances and control them through the satellite communication system.